Have you ever come home after a long day, opened the fridge, and realized there's absolutely nothing to eat? Or maybe you are a college student living in a hostel, staying in a hotel while traveling, working late at the office, or simply craving delicious Mumbai style pav bhaji without spending an hour chopping vegetable and cooking everything from the scratch? Well, today review might save your next meal. Today we are taking a deep dive into the Haldiram Minute Khana Pav Bhaji, a ready-to-eat meal that promises authentic Indian flavor in just a few minutes. But here's the real question. Can a shelf-stable ready-to-eat pav bhaji actually taste like the fresh pav bhaji you get from the street vendor or restaurant? Or is it just another packaged meal that look good on the box but disappoint once you open it? We are about to find out. And unlike many reviews that simply read what's printed on the packaging today, we are going to analyze everything. We'll discuss the ingredients, the nutritional facts, cooking method, taste, texture, aroma, health benefits, drawback, who should buy it, who should avoid it, and finally whether it's actually worth spending your money on. So if you are thinking about buying this product, stay till the end because this review could save you both money and disappointment. Let's get started. This is Haldiram Nagpur Minute Khana Pav Bhaji. Haldiram is already one of the India's most trusted food brand, known for its snacks, sweet, frozen food, namkeen and traditional Indian meal. With the Minute Khana range, the company aimed to provide authentic Indian food that ready in just a few minutes without requiring refrigeration before opening. That make the product like especially useful for working professionals, students, travelers, people living away from home, bachelors, and even families looking for a quick emergency meal. Instead of spending an hour preparing vegetable, grinding spices, and cooking everything from the scratch, you simply heat the pouch and your meal is ready. That's the biggest promise of this product. But convenience only matters if the taste is good. We will find that out shortly. Let's go to the deep under the packaging. The box has a bright and attractive design with a picture of rich orange red pav bhaji served alongside butter pav. Right away, it gives you an impression of restaurant style food. On the front, you'll notice several important claims. First, the Minute Khana. This tells the customer is a part of the Haldiram instant ready to eat range. Next is just to heat, which they have mentioned over here. That means that there's absolutely no cooking required. No chopping, no frying, no pressure cooker, no additional masala. Simply heat it and serve. That's a major advantage for people who don't cook regularly. The front also says no preservatives, which they have mentioned here very clearly. No preservative. We'll discuss exactly what that means later because many people misunderstand this claim. The package also mentioned serve to. Now this depends on who is eating. If you're serving it with 4 butter pav, chopped onion, lemon wedges and maybe another side dish, then yes, 2 people can comfortably enjoy it. However, if 2 hungry adults are eating only the bhaji with minimal bread, the quantity may feel slightly less. For one person with a big appetite, the entire pack is quite reasonable. For 2 children, it's actually enough. For 2 adults with average appetite, it's acceptable when served with enough pav. The package also clearly marks the spice level as mild. That's important. This isn't intended to be extremely spicy like some street style pav bhaji. Instead, it is designed to appeal to a wider audience, including families and people who prefer balanced spice levels. Finally, the box contains 300 gram of pav bhaji and MRP of rupees 112. Work out to be roughly 0.37 per gram, which they have mentioned it over here, which is useful way to compare value with similar ready-to-eat meals. What exactly is in the pav bhaji? If you have never tried this pav bhaji before, here is a quick explanation. Pav bhaji is one of the Mumbai most street food. The word pav refers to the soft bread rolls. The word bhaji means a thick vegetable curry. Traditionally, potatoes, tomatoes, peas, cauliflower, onion, capsicum, and other vegetables are cooked together with butter and a special blend of aromatic spices until everything becomes smooth and creamy. It's then served with butter toasted pav, chopped onion, fresh coriander, and lemon. One reason pav bhaji becomes so popular is that it's comforting, filling, and packed with vegetables. The challenge with homemade pav bhaji is the preparation time. You need to wash vegetable, chop everything, pressure cook, mash, prepare the masala, and cook it properly. That process easily takes 45 minutes to over an hour. This ready-to-eat version aims to eliminate all of that effort. How to prepare it? One thing I appreciate is that Haldiram provides 3 different heating methods, giving you flexibility depend on where you are. First, boil water method. Simply place the seal pouch in a boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes. Once heated, carefully remove it, cut it open and serve. Pros: even heating, no extra utensils to clean and helps preserve the texture. Frying pan method. Cut open the pouch, pour the content into a pan and heat on high for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Pros is that this method lets some moisture evaporate, making the bhaji thicker and closer to the texture of freshly cooked pav bhaji. You can also add a little butter, chopped coriander or a pinch of pav bhaji masala to enhance the flavor. Third is microwave method. Transfer the bhaji to microwave safe bowl and heat for 1 to 2 minutes. The pros are the quickest option for busy days. Now let's continue looking at the nutritional level because understanding what you're eating is just as important as knowing how it tastes. The carbohydrate that is they have, that is 13 gram per serving. The carbohydrate in the pav bhaji mainly come from potatoes, green peas, carrot, tomatoes and other vegetables. Potatoes are the primary source of carbohydrate and provide quick energy, making this a satisfying meal. Since this product is traditionally eaten with pav, the total carbohydrate intake increases significantly once you add the bread. If you are watching your carbohydrate intake, you should enjoy a smaller portion of the bhaji or pair it with a whole wheat pav instead of a regular white bread. Now the dietary fiber which is mentioned over here is 5 gram, that is 18% daily value. One of the pleasant surprises on the nutritional label is the fiber content. Each serving contains 5 gram of dietary fiber which is quite good for a ready to eat meal. Where does this fiber come from? It comes from potatoes, green peas, cauliflower, cabbage, carrots, French beans, tomatoes. Fiber play an important role in supporting digestive health and helping you to feel full for longer. While this product isn't a substitute for eating fresh vegetable every day, it is encouraging to see a ready meal with a meaningful amount of fiber. Sugar, that is 0 gram, which is mentioned in this package. The label lists 0 gram of sugar serving. That doesn't mean that there are no naturally occurring sugar in the vegetable. It indicates that the product contains no measurable sugar according to the nutrition panel. For those trying to avoid added sugar, this is a positive point. Protein which is there, that is 3 gram. Protein is where this meal is bit limited. At 3 gram per serving, it is relatively low compared to a balanced meal. That's because the recipe is primarily vegetable based. While peas and vegetables contribute a little protein, they aren't high protein ingredient. If you did like to make this meal more filling and nutritionally balanced, consider serving it with a side of paneer, a bowl of Greek yogurt or curd, roasted chickpeas, sprout, or if you eat eggs, a boiled egg on the side. This addition can boost the protein content without changing the flavor of the pav bhaji. Cholesterol which is there, that is 15 mg, which is mentioned over here. The cholesterol comes mainly from the butter used in the recipe. At 15 mg per serving, it is a moderate amount for a ready-to-eat dish. Sodium that is mentioned over here is 810 mg. That is the 35% of the daily value. This is probably the most important nutrition point to discuss. Each serving contains 810 mg of sodium, which is 35% of the recommended daily value. Since the pack contains 2 servings, eating the entire pack will provide around 1620 mg of sodium before adding butter, pav or any salty side dishes. Why sodium is important? Salt enhances flavor and also helps to preserve the quality of packaged food. However, consuming too much sodium regularly may not be suitable for everyone, especially people with high blood pressure or those advised by their doctor to follow a lower sodium diet. For most healthy people, enjoying this product occasionally as a part of a balanced diet is reasonable. But if you are closely monitoring your salt intake, is something to keep in mind. Potassium that is mentioned, that is 90 mg. Potassium helps to support normal muscle and nerve function. This product provides a small amount mainly from the vegetable. Calcium that is 10 mg. The calcium content is low. While the butter contributes a little calcium, this meal isn't intended to be a major source of it. Iron that is 1 mg. Iron helps to transport oxygen throughout the body. The vegetable and spices provide a small amount, but this shouldn't be relied upon as your primary source of iron. Is this a healthy meal? So after looking the ingredient and nutritional fact, is Haldiram Minute Khana Pav Bhaji actually healthy? The answer depends on how you define healthy. On the positive side, it contains a variety of vegetables like tomatoes, potatoes, peas, cauliflower, carrot, cabbage, beans, onion, and capsicum. This ingredient contribute fiber, vitamin, mineral, and the authentic taste of pav bhaji. It also contains no preservative, which many people appreciate. However, it is important to remember that this is still a processed, ready-to-eat meal. It contains added salt and fat to achieve its flavor and shelf stability. Compared with many instant snacks or heavily processed fast food, this product offers more vegetable and a better fiber profile. Still, it shouldn't be replaced freshly cooked homemade meal on a regular basis. If you are looking for convenience on busy days, this is a practical option. If you are aiming for the healthiest possible diet, fresh homemade pav bhaji with less butter and controlled salt will generally be better choice. Now the most important part, how does it taste? When heated properly, the aroma is immediately inviting. You can smell the tomatoes, butter, garlic, and the blend of Indian spices. The texture is smooth and thick with the vegetable well mashed, just as pav bhaji should be. It's not overly watery, as in depend nicely on a piece of buttered pav. The flavor is balanced. The tomatoes provide a pleasant tang, the butter adds richness, and the spice blend give it the familiar taste people expect from pav bhaji. Since the product is labeled mild, don't expect an extremely spicy street style version. Instead, the heat level is gentle enough for most adult and older children. For an even better experience, I recommend serving it with butter toasted pav. Finally, chop onion, fresh coriander leaves, a squeeze of lemon, and if you enjoy extra richness, a small cube of butter on top. This simple addition can make the meal much closer to the restaurant style pav bhaji. Now let's talk about the pros. Let's quickly summarize the strength of this product. Very convenient, it's ready in just a few minutes, no preservative according to the packaging, long shelf life without refrigeration before opening, good variety of vegetables giving it a more wholesome profile than many instant meal, balanced mild flavor suitable for a wide range of tastes, free easy heating method, making it practical at home, in hostel or while traveling. Trusted Haldiram brand known for Indian snacks and ready-to-eat food. Good fiber content which is welcome nutritional advantage. Easy pantry meal for busy days when cooking isn't possible. Now let's talk about the con. No product is perfect and there are few things to keep in mind. High sodium content, especially if you eat the whole pack. Low protein, so pairing it with a protein-rich side can make it more balanced meal. Pav is not included, so you need to buy or prepare the bread separately. Mild spice level may not satisfy those who prefer the bold, fiery taste of Mumbai street style pav bhaji. Contain milk and may contain traces of several common allergens, so it is not suitable for everyone. While convenient homemade pav bhaji still offers greater control over ingredients, salt and butter. Final verdict is that overall, Haldiram Minute Khana Pav Bhaji delivers exactly what it promises: quick, convenient, and enjoyable ready-to-eat Indian meal. It is not a replacement for freshly made homemade pav bhaji, but it performs well for busy schedule, travel, office lunches, hostel life, or those moments when you want comforting food without spending time in the kitchen. For the taste, I'll give 4.3 out of 5. For the texture, I'll give 4.5 out of 5. Ingredient, I'll give 4.4 out of 5. Nutrition, I'll give 3.8 out of 5. Convenience, I'll give 5 out of 5. Value for money, I'll give 4.2 out of 5. So overall rating, I'll give 4.3 out of 5. If convenience, authentic Indian flavor and a quicker meal are your priorities, this is a product worth considering. Just remember to pair it with a fresh butterly pav, onion, coriander and lemon to get the best possible experience. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which ready to eat meal you did like me to review next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next review. Bye friends.